fuck. God damn it. Oh boy. Hello everybody, it's Slushy and welcome to Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the game.
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Nice, it's just like the original film, I like it. Oh boy. Here we go. I'm so excited to play this. I've been waiting so long for this game that I have so much hype for this. So I played this game a little bit on Xbox, but this is my first time playing on PC, so I'm really excited to see if it's better or worse. Let's give her a shot. Pretty excited.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby
Not good.
Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. Jared Gaines wasn't sure what he was expecting when he discovered her body.
Start.
Gotta focus. Gotta stay strong. I have to get out of here.
Okay, so we gotta find shit, we gotta open doors, we gotta unlock things. Typical game like this. I mean, it's really nothing new. Oh god, Grandpa! Ah, shit! Fuck it. Just grab it. For a second there, I thought I heard the chainsaw, and I was about to start freaking out. I was about to start panicking. Probably shouldn't panic. It's probably a bad thing to do. Why do I get a feeling this leads to bad things? Just a whole lot of bad things? What's this?
I've got to find my friends.
We're gonna go ahead and close that door. I said close. Thank you.
Yes. Please fit in that lock. Please.
Locked.
Okay, we need an unlock tool for that.
I won't budge.
Every noise I'm hearing is kind of making me panic a little bit. Oh god. I'm pretty sure that's the fucking chainsaw.
Oh, look at this.
That sounds like pretty close. Okay, that's additional footsteps. That wasn't me. That was somebody else. Somebody else is around here. Quite clearly. Somebody else is roaming around and I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Don't like the fact that somebody's around here sneaking around. Okay.
Way to unlock this.
We need those damn tools. We don't have any of those tools. We need to find...
What the hell did we end up
Okay,
here?
I keep finding these stupid health things. I don't need health. I haven't even been attacked yet. I'm sure that's gonna happen now that I just said that. But, dude, we need, you know, the one things. We need the one things. So, is this where I came in through? Nah, what the fuck? Who cares? I need to find something, otherwise we're all gonna die. Okay, I have an unlock tool. Can I use that on
I
this?
got this.
What? I broke the tool? That's some bullshit. What? How the fuck did I break the tool?
I thought you were dead.
Do you need health or something? Is that why you're acknowledging me? You need some health? Oh god. That probably means Leatherface is around. Oh god! Oh! Oh god!
This is too much.
Oh god! Oh god! I'm so dead. Oh god, I'm so dead. Oh god! Bro, go! Holy shit! Oh my god. This game has got me paranoid as hell, man. It's actually kind of creepy. Am I dying? What is this? Come on! Hurry up! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Lovely. I'm so fucked. Oh, I'm so fucked. God damn it. Thanks, Leatherface. Fucking show off. So yeah, like I said, obviously I have XP for playing on Xbox. So that's how, if you were wondering how I already have XP, that's why. They didn't just spawn me in with XP. Okay, guys, well that was the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, I don't think I'm going to record a bunch of videos on this game. I might record some, but I at least wanted to get one video out to show you guys the game and show me playing it. I really enjoyed it. Now, there's a couple of lag spikes throughout the game for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's new. I don't know if it's because my computer can't handle certain things about it. But not too bad, not too shabby. I think it definitely plays better on consoles or on Xbox, unless you have like a super high quality computer. Like if you have like the best kind of computer ever, chances are you're not gonna have a single bit of issues. But as far as like gameplay wise, I think I enjoy playing with the controller better. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like if you did, go check out Texas Chainsaw Massacre yourself. Free on Game Pass. You get it on PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X and S. Give it a shot, you know, whether you pay for it or just play it on Xbox Game Pass for free. Give it a shot. What's the worst that could happen? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next one. Bye-bye.
Save me, you should never break me. You're the thing that makes me be afraid of myself. Don't tell me you're sorry, just say a thing to stop me. break the silence. Come and save me from